Yo, what's up guys? Hornets versus Nuggets naman tayo. So, Hornets versus Nuggets, game prediction, let's go. So, Hornets 14 wins, 39 loss, 14 in the East. Nuggets 36 wins, 19 loss, third in the West. So, kailan? Thursday, February 20 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, which is 9:30 a.m. February 21 in Manila. So, where? Ball Arena in Denver, Colorado. So, home court po ng Denver. So, home court advantage will go to the Denver Nuggets. So, the standing is also favor the Nuggets because the Nuggets is the top one of the top seed in the West, while the Hornets is one of the hulelat in the East. So, yung nahuhuli. So, number 14 siya. Second to the last in the East. Yan. Spread, Hornets plus 16. Sorry, plus 16 po yan, plus 16. Nuggets minus 16, hindi ko natanggal yung point. So, Hornets plus 16, Nuggets minus 16. Over and under 228, napakalaki ng handicap. So, health and availability, Grant Williams out for the season due to ACL. Brandon Miller out for the season. Trey Mann out for the season. Josh Okogie out. So, basically, lalaro si LaMelo Ball. Nuggets, Michael Porter Jr. probable. Daron Holmes out for the season. Vlatko Kankar out. Aaron Gordon probable. Jamal Murray probable. Peyton Watson out. So we can see makakalaro na ulit si Brody Russell Westbrook. So yan, lalo nang lalakas yung lineup itong Denver Nuggets. So kaya siguro plus 16 ang binigay na handicap. So ayan, the health and availability bigay na rin natin sa Denver Nuggets kahit marami din yung out sa kanila. Kitang-kita naman natin na malakas talaga yung Denver Nuggets kahit maraming out sa kanila. Lalo't kompleto yung kanilang first five. Lalaro si Michael Porter Jr., si Aaron Gordon, saka si Jamal Murray na naghahalimaw ngayon. So, ayan. Momentum. Charlotte Hornets got the win in their previous game. 100-97 triumph occurred on the road at Crypto.com Arena when playing LA Lakers. 2 wins and 8 losses in the last 10 games. The Nuggets have won 8 and lost 2 of their last 10 contests. Nuggets are 9 from 10 on the head-to-head versus against the Charlotte yan. So, ayan. So, kitang-kita naman natin yung momentum talaga nasa nasa Denver Nuggets kasi 9 out of 10 games tinalo nila yung Charlotte Hornets. Tapos, ayan, kita-kita naman natin. Pero we saw some light kanina. Tinalo ng Hornets yung Lakers 100-97. So baka madala pa rin nila yung kanilang momentum sa ang tawag dito. Yung kanilang lakas ng loob, ano bang tawag doon? Basta yun. Pamadala nila yung kanilang momentum sa confidence yun. Nalaman ko na confidence in their game against the Nuggets. So kaya ito na ang pick natin. Then Charlotte Hornets plus 16. Bakit Charlotte Hornets plus 16? Last game nila Charlotte Hornets plus 12 ang napili natin. Pasok. So ayan, kitang-kita naman natin na nahirapan yung Charlotte Hornets. Muntik na silang manalo kundi dahil sa 4 quick points ni Nikola Jokic. So lamang ng tatlo yung Hornets. Naka 4 straight points si Nikola Jokic na napakabilis. 4 ba 5? Isang foul counted tapos isang finger roll. So 5 points na napakabilis. Kaya nanalo pa yung nanalo pa yung Denver doon. Pero Hornets plus 12 nun. So ayun, na-cover ng Hornets. So para sa akin napakalaki na tong plus 16. Considering nalalaro sila LaMelo Ball, napakagaling niya na point guard para sa lalaro din si Mark Williams, medyo may depensa kay Jokic, medyo may magkakaroon ng opposition kay Jokic dito, kaya parang plus 16 napakalaki talaga niyan. So ayan, Hornets plus 16 tayo guys. Kung nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video, kung nakakuha kayo ng idea, tapos kung may iba pa kayong idadagdag, please comment down below. Tapos sa mga nag-enjoy naman dito, please like and share our videos para updated kayo lagi kapag may bago tayong videos. So again guys, Special reminder lang, kung tatalpa kayo, at talpak in moderation. Bills muna bago bomba. Yun lang guys. Shoutout kay mama at kay papa. Shoutout kay mama, nagki-crazy time. Nagki-crazy time pero pag may taya, talo. Pag walang taya, tumatama yung crazy time. Okay guys, thank you.